Okay, we're gonna take a quick, hard, deep look at this AI, and let me explore real quick and show you the features. This is a video generating AI. Well, of course we needed another AI because we didn't have enough, but the more, the better. I'm telling you right now, get a good grab at AI, learn AI, you will thank me in a year or two. Anyway, you can create videos with text, which is what we're gonna do right here. Animate your image or any image that you might have. We might try that too. Repaint your video. Change the style, color, or subject in your video with text prompts. And coming soon, extend your video. Extend the duration of your video with one click. Now that's something. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I am extremely ready to see that. Let me just show you just a few quick samples. This one, the prompt was just the way chicken is fried in fresh oil, 4K. That's it, and it looks quite good. Maybe not as good as the Sora demos that we watched, but look at this one. Traditionally, to create this animation, yeah, it would have taken you quite a while. Well, these are 2 to 4 seconds, by the way, but look at that. That's not bad. Come on. Seriously, a panda doing a skateboarding thingy right there? Panda on a skateboard driving towards camera wearing punk rock clothes, 2000s music. That's beautiful. I generated something too. Well, one of them. This one I just put an exotic sports car driving through the surface of Mars. And that's what it made. That's actually beautiful. Come on. Look at that. This looks really beautiful to me. Now, it looks like a McLaren, but we're not saying that. It doesn't say McLaren, but if you know McLaren, you know it looks like a McLaren. The second one, this video may contain explicit, it doesn't actually contain anything bad, but AI thinks that. As you see, it's just downtown somewhere having some apocalyptic times going on, and there's nothing we haven't seen in movies. But if you check, some of the cars have some kind of interesting glitchy things going on, and if you focus right here, there's a car that comes from here and morphs into a different car by merging with a car. Watch from the beginning here. Boom! Now from 2 cars we have 1 bigger car. That's how cars work actually. If you, in case you didn't know, you can plant cars on spring and harvest, I don't know, maybe a Lambo by fall time. Anyway, let me give it a prompt and we'll see what it does. I'm gonna put a quick easy prompt. Okay, this is the prompt. An old man sitting on an old chair by a fireplace, lighting his cigarette, small kittens playing in front of him, 4K low angle shot rustic cinematic. Hit generate. Come on, I meant to do 4 seconds. Okay, let me see if we can, nope, we cannot change it. So we're gonna redo this one. I meant to do 4 seconds. Delete the video. We're gonna paste the same again. Okay, because you have an option right here to do 4 seconds. And this here speed, I'm assuming frames per second, but I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna go with the regular stuff. It takes a minute, so just be patient. It's on beta right now, hyper, but HAIPER.ai, and let's see what it comes up with this one. Just give it a second and we'll be right back. It's almost there, 90-some%. Usually it goes 100%. As you see, I told you can plant anything and it grows into something. We planted text and it's grown into a video. That's how it works. Welcome to 2024. And just like that, the video is done. Wow, look at that. I mean, come on, don't expect it to be extreme realistic, but this is beautiful. Seriously, look at the kitties. Now, don't look at the nose here, just assume it's from the reflection. But this is beautiful. Look at the grandpa's hand, for example. The skin, you can see the veins. Look at the hair. Really beautiful detail on the beard. Look at the hair here on the side. That is actually quite a lot of elements that I'm liking here. Beautiful vest, I'm assuming this is. Looks like a wool vest or something. This is beautiful. Come on. Now, this part here, we don't look at this part here either. There's nice candles on the back, really old chair. Wow, rustic look. I mean, come on. This is unheard of, and this is right now, at least at the moment, free. So, how long will it stay free? I don't know. But for now, it is free, and you can go right now, generate stuff, and I will leave links on the description, obviously. Now we're gonna try to animate an image. I don't know what it's gonna do with it, but we're going to animate it. So we have our picture, and we're gonna just say, man showing signs of anger towards the camera. Perfect. I mean, this is just a static picture, and we're gonna see if it can create something. And it says wait some seconds here. Well, we're gonna wait, I guess, and we'll be back when the seconds drop to 0. And it did exactly nothing. Okay, create video with text, animate your image. That's what I just said. Wow. We're gonna take Mr. Beast right here, a picture, and a picture of a man showing his counter full of chocolate bars, I guess. And let's put it 4 seconds. Okay. Okay, now it's... Oh, so it was generated in the first one too. Somehow my browser maybe kind of skipped that part, but well, we're generating 2 now. Well, I guess that's how it works sometimes. We'll be back in a second. We'll see what it generates. Okay, so both generated, and let's see what goes on here. If it made this man angry somehow. Look at that. It's only 2 seconds, so it was probably about to get angry in a second, but it didn't. That's the money shot. Okay, here's Mr. Beast investing money in chocolates. And let's see. Okay, that... that turned interesting really quick. Yeah. How did it switch from Mr. Beast to Mr. somebody else so quick? I don't know, but look at the picture on the back. Come on. What happened to this one? Feast like a beast and Walmart there. And here, feast like a beast. And the packages here on the right side just, you know, flying around. Nothing to see here. This is hilarious. I would love to send this one to Jimmy. Here, oh, fly around. And okay, so that is pretty much these 2 thingies right here. I'm not gonna do repaint a video because you get the point, and you can try it yourself because you're smart enough yourself. And in the very near future, we're gonna try a different AI video generator because, okay, I have to make another video, so yeah, just stay tuned for it. I hope you like this video. Please hit like and subscribe, share it with somebody, and we'll see you next time. Find the links on the description below if you want to try. Bye for now.